Welcome to iWorld USA.
2025 Pontiac GTO is a stunning revival of an iconic muscle car, blending retro-inspired design with modern performance. It's clear that Pontiac aimed to honor its heritage while embracing cutting-edge automotive technology. The exterior design is bold, aggressive, and instantly recognizable, featuring a low-slung stance, a prominent split grille, and sleek LED headlights. The classic lines of the GTO have been reimagined with aerodynamic enhancements that not only improve performance but also give the car a contemporary appeal. The muscular hood scoops and flared fenders are a nod to the car's legacy, while the modern 20-inch wheels and striking rear diffuser underline its focus on performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Pontiac GTO offers a choice of powerful engines designed to deliver exhilarating speed and precision handling. At the heart of the lineup is a 6.2-liter V8 engine capable of producing an impressive 485 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. For enthusiasts craving even more power, a supercharged version pushes the output to over 700 horsepower, making the GTO a serious contender among modern muscle cars. With rear-wheel drive and a finely tuned suspension system, the GTO provides a thrilling driving experience that feels both raw and refined. Advanced features like adaptive dampers and an electronically controlled limited-slip differential ensure optimal performance on both highways and winding roads. The interior of the 2025 GTO strikes the perfect balance between nostalgia and modernity. High-quality materials such as leather, alcantara, and brushed aluminum adorn the cabin, creating a luxurious yet sporty atmosphere. The driver-focused cockpit is equipped with a 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large touchscreen display. Features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system cater to modern connectivity needs, while the ergonomic design of the seats and controls ensures comfort during spirited drives. Pontiac has also incorporated subtle retro touches, such as circular air vents and a classic-style gear shifter, to remind drivers of the car's storied past. Safety and technology are key areas where the 2025 Pontiac GTO excels. The car comes loaded with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These features provide peace of mind without detracting from the excitement of driving a high-performance vehicle. Additionally, the GTO's lightweight construction, achieved through the use of high-strength steel and aluminum, enhances both safety and performance by improving handling and fuel efficiency.